friends. Today we are going to draw a beautiful landscape together. Let's start. First, I am going to draw a tree. Now let's draw a house. Drawing house is my favorite part. I love drawing houses. They are so much fun. Oh look, it's already looking so cute. Now I am going to draw some mountains. Oh, and the fun part, rainbow. Rainbow is my favorite part. Now let's draw a sun. I love drawing sun. I like it so much. It shines so bright in the sky. And we have some fruits in the tree. Let's draw some grass. Now let's color our landscape together. Green. Red. Oh, it is looking so good. Oh, look. We have an apple tree. Wow. Brown.
White as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play.
Green.
It made the children laugh and play to see
We have green grass. Wow, it is already looking so good. I am having so much fun. Please draw with me.
turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently.
Dark green.
Patiently about, and waited patiently about. Till
Are you ready for the magic? Wait, ta-da! We have some flowers, we have a butterfly, and the wind is blowing. Look,
Mary, so why does the lamb love
green.
So the eager children cried, why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Do you see a small butterfly on top of the tree?
Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
I love it so much. Oh look, we have a dog. Wow. Blue. Let's color the water blue.
Had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Wow, the dog is playing outside. Are you ready for a magic again? Wait for it. And ta-da! Oh look, we have a duckling. Pink, purple, pink, yellow, orange, let's color the rainbow. Purple, yellow, green, pink, orange, and green. Oh no, pink. Wow, I love it so much. Let's color the sky. The sky is so blue. Wow, I love this landscape so much. I want to live inside. And we are almost there. Let's color the sun yellow. And ta-da! Wow, I have so much fun.